We still got movement, and I'm still happy. It's good. Basically, what I'm trying to do is, you get like a screwdriver. That pair of scissors will do if you don't, instead of running. Thank you. I enjoy having the man right there. I enjoy that. I'm just going to, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this out a little bit. You can see where it's not flush there like that. See how it's above?
Yep.
I'm talking to you because you're the only one really paying attention. I'm just going to, just want to see here for a sec. No, I'm going to come down here and tack it. And the reason being is because it's fitting good, it has to be tacked. Doesn't look that great, but that's okay. I've got a grinder. I basically just want to grind that weld off. I don't want to grind anything else off, so that's why I'm going slow. Good. Back in order. Back in order. I want to pull that out a little bit just so I can get it flushed off, and then see if I pull this out a little bit, then I can weld it where it's nice and flush. Now it's flush. Yep. Then I can push that in. If I try to weld that, if I weld that now, then I'm going to see a little bit of weld, and I'm not going to, do you understand what I'm doing? Like, I'm going to pull that out, yep, just so I can flush it off better. See how it's flushed off there nicer? Yep. And the reason I tacked the bottom, because it moved on me. Just going to knock that on there a little bit. Oh, drop a little bit of weld. Good. Got that tacked in there. Just hold that for a second. This is where a third arm comes in nice, and I'm going to use a piece of square stock. I laid a piece of square stock, but I'm going to go get it. Oh, hammer will do. I'll show you what I mean by. If I take and go like this is the third arm, so I can go like this, and then I can weld and hold my hand with my welder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push that in there like that. I'm going to flush this corner out so I can. Now this is what I'm going to do. See how that's all floppy like that? I'm going to just push it to it. That's good enough. Oh, didn't stay. All right, now we're overlapped there, right? Yep. But that's what I want. I want it to hold there, and this is what I'm going to do. Watch. Run my zip cut through it. I'm not going to run the zip cut right straight through like that. I don't want too big of a gap. So what I'll do is take the zip cut and lean it down like that. Run the zip cut along with this piece of metal. Yep. Now I can take this bad boy. It's flushed off right there. The gas seems to be running quite heavy on your welder. I'm not sure what's going on there, but I don't know if you have to fix it right now or not. Do you have a pair of pliers? I think I had to pull that wire right there.